Nestlé's new food linid, Vital Pursuit, is specifically targeted toward patients using weight loss medications, which continues to surge in popularity. In a society where possibilities are endless, it shouldn't come as a shock that there is an appeal in betting on yourself if your values are being ignored. Macy's recorded another quarter of sales decliners, but not as much as Wall Street feared. After being teased by the Comcast CEO last week, the Stream Saver bundle is now official. Tire Union and former Red Lobster CEO Paul Kerry's ultimate endless shrimp offer was in part to blame for its demise, wrote new CEO Jonathan Tibus. Washington, Amelia Island, Florida, Reuters. Federal Reserve policymakers on Tuesday said it is prudent for the U.S. Spot Ethereum. ETF filers have removed mentions of staking funds from their registration statements. One analyst says they bent the knee to the SEC. Bloomberg. The stock market fluctuated near all-time highs as traders awaited Nvidia Corp. CyberArk, one of the army of larger security companies founded out of Israel, is acquiring Venaphase, a specialist in machine identity, for $154 billion. Li Auto's BEV endeavors appear to be facing structural challenges as transferring its EREV success to BEV is not so straightforward, Deutsche Bank said. PNW earnings call for the period ending March 31, 2024. U.S. lawmakers are on the brink of a landmark crypto vote that some of the biggest crypto companies have called crucial for the future of the U.S. AstraZeneca on Tuesday morning unveiled its ambitious plan to be one of the fastest-growing pharma companies by the end of the decade. Jamie Dimon has long joked that his retirement is 5 years away, no matter when he's asked, but not on Monday. Americans for Prosperity partnered with gas stations across the U.S. to lower prices to $2.38 per gallon, the average, when President Biden took office. President Biden long tried to avoid presidential releases touting stock highs. The cities that top U.S. News and World Report's list of best places to live in America tend to have a lower cost of living and a higher quality of life. Pedigree's parent company said Friday that they would be pulling 315 bags of Pedigree dog food in 4 states, including Arkansas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, and Texas. McDonald's is set to drop its Grandma McFlurry flavor Tuesday, which is inspired by candies that might have been found in a favorite relative's purse. The dark web's incognito market allowed people to buy and sell narcotics worldwide. GME options contracts were trading at cents to the dollar in the weeks before the stock's price spiked. CalPERS is withholding its support for Exxon CEO Darren Woods after the company sued environmentally focused activist investors. These bargain stocks to buy provide substantial upside since they are trading at a significant discount to their historical multiples. Wall Street kicked off the new week on a high note, with all major U.S. Weather experts are expecting an active hurricane season in 2024-7, and Data Project's home insurance rates could soar even higher in states like Florida and Texas. The Chinese e-commerce sites shipped the equivalent of 88 Boeing 777 freighters of cargo worldwide every day. The S&P 500 has gained 11% year-to-date. The Nasdaq Composite finished Monday's session at a record level. The home improvement retailer Lowe's said sales fell again year over year, and it reiterated its full-year earnings forecast. The latest price moves in crypto markets in context for May 20 Mars 2024. The prospect of a Chinese invasion of Taiwan is a nightmare scenario that keeps Western intelligence agencies awake at night. More executives make $50 million and up, with potential for growth over time. Here are the most important news items that investors need to start their trading day. Co-founder Ilya Sutskever's super alignment team was supposed to get 20% of the company's computing budget. Instead, its requests for compute were repeatedly rejected, sources say. Chinese EV maker XPeng Inc., NSE at XPeng, reported fiscal first-quarter sales growth of 62.3% year-on-year to 6.55 billion Chinese yuan, $0. Hims & Hers is pitching consumers on a GLP-1 weight loss injection that will cost 85% less than brand-name drugs like Wegovy.